Kia ora. My name is Manu, and I'm here to talk about a dumbbell, okay? So, the dumbbell, first, it actually gives you muscles, like mine, and like, yeah, like, I pick up heaps of chicks doing this here. Like, gee, you don't even know what these look like, gee, but fuck, they're mountains. Oh. Even though that this is 2 kgs, it's still gets you there, but that's all good. You know, it's pretty light. It's not really good for anything. But still, like I see heaps of people here, and they got like, they got big muscles, but not big as mine there. Like, but you can find these at the gym. Now you can buy them from the shop as well. I think Kmart, warehouse. Yeah, no, yeah, this dumbbell attracts girls, and that's all I'm about, actually. Nah, thank you.